when I woke up, I had like this sharp pain in my neck. I'm assuming I slept wrong or something. I was gonna put some muscle medicine on it, but I was like, you know, let me just wait, it might get better. And now it's later in the evening and it still hurts. I can't move my head like to the right like this without it making me want to cry. If by tomorrow it doesn't get better, then I'll try to put some medicine on it. I've been thinking actually of going to see a chiropractor because I'm always like so tense, and like my body is so tense that I feel like I just need to go get like readjusted. I found a couple places, but I would much rather go to a place where like you guys have gone or you guys trust. So if you know any, hook me up, please. No, but really, like, I'm a very tense person. Whenever like somebody tries to crack like just any bone in my body, they're never able to crack me. So I want to get it professionally done. And also, I never told you guys this, but when I was younger, I actually had really bad migraines. It was like actually really bad that I had to go to the hospital and get like, what is it called? Like x-rayed. I forgot the proper term for it, but I had to get x-rayed because they were afraid that it was like a tumor in my brain. So thank God it wasn't. But yeah, I had like constant migraines when I was younger, and it was really bad. Like it like affected my entire lifestyle, school. It was really difficult. But it actually went away just a couple years ago, and now I just feel like since this like neck pain is back, my migraine is also back. So I'm just praying that it gets better. So today I'm actually just gonna bake these broccoli because I bought like broccoli a couple days ago and I never used them, and they're gonna expire, so I'm just gonna bake them. I'm gonna follow a random recipe online and see how it turns out. But I've actually never baked broccoli before, so this will be my first time. So hopefully it turns out alright. So before we continue on with the video, I just want to thank Redmond for sponsoring today's video. They were so nice to send me 2 new appliances to try out. So this toaster comes in 4 colors. They have cream beige, aqua sky, which is the one I have. They have light pink and light yellow. So I got the blue one because, as you guys know, blue is my favorite color. So cute. Isn't this so cute? It's so retro looking. So what I like about these is that they look so cool. And this right here is actually a touch screen. It has 6 toasting levels, which is freaking crazy. So it allows you to get your preferred brown toast, because I know everyone likes their toast a little bit differently. So there's 6 settings. It also has a special 360 baking mode. It's guaranteed that your toast will come out perfect every time. They have a defrost function to defrost frozen bread. They have a reheat. It's also super easy to clean. The crumbs will end up under here, slides out like this. Just easy peasy. You guys know that I've been going to the gym. With that comes drinking protein shakes and making protein smoothies and stuff. So this personal blender is perfect Literally, it's absolutely perfect. Oh my god, I think this is like my favorite thing. It just, there she is. Wow, she looks so cute. Oh my gosh, love that. This personal blender comes in 3 colors. They have this almond one, this almond cream color, blue, and then they have a light pink. You can just throw in any frozen fruits in your freezer or any fresh fruits even. You can put in like milk or water, some sort of liquid, maybe even some Greek yogurts, and then you blend it. Yeah, and then you have yourself a nice, delicious, healthy smoothie. It's also very easy to use and it's dishwasher safe. It's very portable as well. So when you're done making your smoothie, boom, take it out and you have yourself a nice portable cup. Drink it, wash it, and then repeat. And it's also super stylish. It will literally look good anywhere. Starting your day with a healthy smoothie or a healthy drink with protein, fruits, vegetables is so great. Overall, a good time. Or you can use my code vangcoua20 for 20% off anything you buy from their website. Go check them out for sure, and we can all strive for a healthier lifestyle together. Hello! I sound like I'm losing my voice, and I probably am because a couple days ago I was driving somewhere and I was having like the most intense karaoke session of my life. It was crazy, and like after that day my voice, like I was like starting to lose my voice. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, I enjoyed it. I don't regret any of it. I'm on my way to the store, and I feel like I'm always on my way to the store. I'm making spring rolls today. Yep, that's about it.
I got a new tack.
Maybe you could learn how to do it.
I want mine to be that big. But
You can wipe it with.
no, I already have never.
Hold it all over the cover it, and get underneath, and like flip one side over.
This is an epic thing.
Wow, that's actually pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. It's better than mine. kind of rough for me, and I got in my head again, and I don't want people feeling bad for me. I had a weak moment, and for some reason I just felt like all of my progress and all of my strength just went out the window. Like, because of that weak moment I had yesterday, I just felt like everything went to waste, like all of my progress. I guess when you look at it and you think about the healing process and doing better things for yourself, and you think, okay, like, I should only go up from here, right? Like, it shouldn't go back down. Since I'm bettering myself, I should feel better. And I was so wrong. Like, healing, and I've learned this just recently, that healing is not linear, and healing is not just going up and never coming back down. It really is going up and then coming back down and then getting back up. That's the process of healing. You do have those days where you fall back sometimes, and that is so normal. Not really anything else that I want to say other than, if you're going through any type of healing process, be so patient with yourself and let yourself have those weak moments. Literally let yourself have those weak moments, because they'll always lead you back in the right direction. So yeah, I love you guys, and I hope that you take good care of yourselves. My comment section is meant to be a safe space for everyone, so if you're not comfortable enough to talk in the comments, feel free to message me directly. I'm back on Instagram, so feel free to message me. I will try my best to always answer. I know that's not always possible. Turn it like this a little bit. Let's see if I picked a good one. I did. Really? So I'm finally eating breakfast now. Oh my gosh. I actually made 2 toasts, but I gave like the prettier one to my mom, so I'm eating this one right here, which I'm sure will taste just as good. I'm having pineapples with it on the side. I'm just gonna eat this while I work. I actually started work already, but I was like really hungry, so yeah, I'm actually really proud of myself. Because I used to hate avocados, and I didn't really know how to make it good. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast before it gets cold. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys eat breakfast. 11 out of 10.
You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time.